Hello kids, how are you all? What? Not better? Why? You know why? Because you don't eat vegetables. Vegetables makes us strong and healthy. Let's know about vegetable and their names. Come, let's start it. So here we start with the first letter of English alphabet, letter A. A for asparagus. Asparagus. Asparagus is the bright green veggie packed with vitamins and minerals like vitamin A, C, E, K and B6, as well as iron, copper, calcium, protein and lots of fiber. Thanks to all these nutrients, asparagus, you are serious health perk. Not only this, there are many benefits of asparagus. It helps relieve arthritis and rheumatism, which affects our joints. It helps relieve symptoms of PMS, that is premenstrual syndromes. It prevents progression of cataract when vision becomes blurry or cloudy. It also helps control blood sugar. Moreover, great source of folic acid is there. It reduces acidity in blood. It helps prevent and dissolve kidney stones. It strengthens the heart. It is diuretic, that it increases the excretion of water from bodies. And moreover, it is cancer prevention also. So let's start eat asparagus in our daily routine. The second one is green beans. Green beans are a rich source of vitamin A, C and K and of folic acid and lots of fiber again. Talking about the benefits of green beans, it boosts the immunity. It's a good source of vitamin A, C and K. Moreover, it is rich in fiber. In addition to this, it controls blood sugar levels, beneficial for diabetic patients, good source of folate, that is folic acid and vitamin B9. It lowers the high blood pressure and it promotes cardiovascular health, which is related to heart and blood vessels. The third one is broccoli. Broccoli is a great source of vitamin K and C. Again, it's a good source of folic acid, potassium and fiber. Now, let's talk about the health benefits of broccoli. It is antioxidant. It prevents cancer. It's a natural antibiotic, that is, it destroys microorganisms. It cleanses intestines. As it is a source of fiber, it keeps the skin young and glowing also. It maintains a healthy heart, rich in calcium, which is good for bones. It protects eyes. And lastly, antiviral, that is effective against viruses. The next green vegetable is cabbage. Cabbage has many health benefits. It includes treatment for constipation, obesity, arthritis, heart diseases and many more, as it is abundant in vitamin C, rich in fiber and sulfur. So it helps with constipation, gastric ulcers, endocrine system, reduces the cholesterol, anti-inflammatory and repair damaged skin cells. The next vegetable is carrot. Carrot contains vitamin A, which is necessary for protecting eye health and vision. We should drink carrot juice for maintaining healthy eyes and vision throughout our life. Not only this, it improves skin glow, the kidney function, the digestion, the liver function, maintain a healthy heat in our body. Antibacterial and antiviral also. Good for eyes, not only eyes. It gives healthy teeth. It is anti-cancer also. Another vegetable is cauliflower. Cauliflower purifies the blood, rich in fiber, reduce cancer risk, rich in vitamin C. So, it boosts heart health, anti-inflammatory, rich in vitamins and minerals. It boosts our brain health also, and it has digestive benefits also. We should eat cauliflower. There are so many green vegetables. The another one is cucumber. Cucumber is used as a salad. It is rich in vitamin A, C and folic acid. It aids in managing diabetes also. It helps prevent chronic constipation. It helps lower blood pressure. It reduces risk of kidney stones. It keeps the body healthy and functioning. It provides bright and glowing complexion as it keeps the body hydrated. So, it reduces blood pressure. We can use it as a health drink. It promotes joints health. It is good for weight loss. It fights against cancer. And lastly, it prevents bad breath also. The next vegetable is not only green in color but purple also. It is brinjal. It is also known as eggplant in North America, Australia and New Zealand. Like most fruits and vegetables, brinjals too are great for your heart. Being rich in fiber, potassium, vitamin B6, this vegetable lowers the risk of heart diseases. So it is good for our heart health. Anti-aging, good for hair. Sharp mind, prevent from infection as it improves our immunity system. G for garlic. The name is garlic. Yes, garlic has many benefits. It provides relief from acne and asthma. It is beneficial in digestion. It cures hypertension and it cures our earache also. It strengthens our immune system. It has vitamin B6 which boosts our mood. It regulates blood sugar. It treats fever, cough, stomachache as well as earache. It prevents from cancer when it is applied to skin for fungal infections. That is also cured. Fresh garlic can kill E. coli and salmonella also. It helps treat cough and cold. As it is winter now, we should eat garlic. K for kohlrabi. Kohlrabi is a great source of dietary fiber that can seriously improve our digestive health. Lower the calories, thus helps us lose weight. Rich in potassium, helps us to become alert and energetic. Reduces the risk of high blood pressure. Improves eyesight. Kohlrabi helps prevent anemia also. L for lettuce. Lettuce. Yes, this is lettuce used as salad. Tasty lettuce. Its benefits include lower cholesterol levels, prevention of cancer, protection of neurons, regular sleep, anxiety control, and a constant supply of antioxidants. We should take it as a salad. Lettuce. This is ladyfinger. Ladyfinger. Ladyfinger, also known as okra. It controls diabetes, relieves from constipation, prevents anemia, lower high blood cholesterol, moreover help in weight loss, improve eyesight and improve our immune system. This is ladyfinger. O for onion. Onion. Without onion, we can't think about any vegetable. It improves immunity, regulate blood sugar, reduce inflammation, heal the infections, antiseptic, antibiotic, reduce pain and inflammation of joints. Apply the onion mixed with turmeric on the face. This will help you to remove dark pigment and patches, prevent tooth decay and reduce tooth pain, eliminate worms in the stomach of children. Applying onion juice on the hair eliminates lice. So helpful. Onion. Here comes the pumpkin. What's in a pumpkin? So many minerals and vitamins. A, C, E, B5. Iron, fiber. It supports heart, bladder, prostate health. It improves our immune system. It supports healthy vision and bone health. It is an anti-inflammatory. Anti-cancer properties are also there. It is pumpkin. The next one is potato. Potato facilitates digestion. It keeps heart healthy. It improves brain function. It controls blood sugar. We eat chips of potato. As for spinach, Popeye always recommend to eat spinach as it removes toxins, make our immune system strong, strengthen our blood vessels, strengthen gums and teeth, improve metabolism, stimulate the work of pancreas. It helps us to handle stress, improve our eyesight, helps to lose weight. Spinach. R4. Radish. Radish used as salad. It helps in weight loss, fight cancer, naturally cooling, promotes digestion, treats jaundice. It also treats urinary disorders, reduces blood pressure, boosts immunity, improves bone health, and clear skin disorders. This is radish. Radish. These are turnips. Sweet, tasty turnips. Rich in mineral for body development, lowers high blood pressure, aids digestion, alkaline so purifies body, high quality vitamin C, lower diabetes risk, detoxify blood, turnip cleans teeth. Turnip also antioxidant and anti-cancer. Z is for zucchini. Zucchini, high source of antioxidant, vitamin C, potassium, improve digestion, anti-inflammatory, maintain eye health, can help control diabetes. Z is for zucchini. Like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to click on the bell.